In this video, we'll look at how to add the course contacts block to your module page and how to configure the block to show useful information to the students. This will help you comply with the module minimum requirements guidelines, which can be found in this training module and in its equivalent on Blackboard.
If your module doesn't already have the course contacts block in the sidebar, you can add it very easily. Firstly, turn editing on in your module and then select the course contacts block from the Add a Block drop-down. Once the block is added to your module, you'll need to configure it to show the information you want. Still with editing turned on, click on the little cog icon in the top right of the course contacts block and choose Configure Course Contacts Block to go to its settings page. In the Contact Methods to Show area, email and telephone should both be set to Yes, but unless you make regular use of the internal Moodle messaging system, and generally it's not used widely through the university, then the advice would be to set the messaging option to No. Email addresses are picked up from the profile where they are set from the main university systems. However, the telephone link will only be displayed if you have filled in the phone field on your user profile as shown in a separate video. There is a choice of how to sort the users being displayed, although the usual recommendation would be to leave this as the default alphabetical list. The options include most recently logged on and people who were enrolled onto the site longest ago. Under the Roles to Show section, click Show More to see the full list of roles to show. In most cases, the roles you want are either module leader, lecturer, or both. A separate video about changing user roles can be found on the Moodle introduction course that this video is part of, under the Moodle Module Administration section. Once you've made the relevant changes to your settings, click Save Changes and the block will show the relevant information, including names, photographs, an icon linked to staff email addresses and phone numbers if the telephone number is set on the profile. It will also show the first 200 characters of the profile description. This is a useful area to add your office hours and other information for students, as the first 200 characters are displayed here in the contacts block and the remainder of any text is viewable in your profile page.